Good morning, students. Introduction to blockchain and what do you mean by cryptography? Cryptography means hidden writing, that is cipher system. It is the art and science of making a crypto system that is capable of providing information security. Cryptography provides information security. It deals with the actual securing of digital data. It refers to the design of mechanism based on mathematical algorithms that provide fundamental information security services. Cryptography provides mathematical algorithm for information security purpose. Next point. Plain text. It is a readable format, non-encrypted data. Encryption. Then it is converted into ciphertext by using encryption, that is non-readable format, encrypted data, then decryption, then gives plain text, that is a readable format, non-encrypted data. Different types of crypto system. Symmetric key encryption. What do you mean by symmetric key encryption? This is a type of crypto system. Symmetric key cryptography. The encryption process where same keys are used for encrypting and decrypting the information. The encryption process where same keys are used for encrypting and decrypting the information. Example, digital encryption standard ES, IDA. How crypto system works. There are two terminals. One is sender and other is receiver end. Step 1 at sender end, encryption system generates ciphertext as output on getting message, that is plain text, and encryption key as input. Step 2 at receiver end, decryption system gets ciphertext as input from sender's terminal and it gets mixed with decryption key. After further processing, authorized user at this terminal receives the original message sent by the sender. This is a flow diagram. Plain text, encryption data, key is used, ciphertext. For ciphertext, encryption is the input. Next, ciphertext gives output as decryption. For plain text, decryption is the input. Working of symmetric key cryptography. What is the working of symmetric key cryptography? Both the sender and recipient have identical copies of the key. Both the sender and recipient have same the key, which they keep secret and don't share with anyone. Diagram of symmetric key cryptography. Sender and receiver are there. Plain text encrypt the data. Shared secret key provided to the encrypt. Next, ciphertext. This is a secure communication channel. Then data is decrypt to use plain text. For decrypt, there is a one key is provided, that is shared secret key. And from shared secret key and this shared secret key, sender receiver side is secure distribution method. Example, may the force be with you. Unencrypted plain text message. This is a key is provided, that is the encryption key T100Y. Then encrypt the data. This data is encrypted T8QY, encrypted ciphertext. Next key is decryption key T100Y, and then gives the original text, may the force be with you. That is a decrypted plain text message. This is an above example is using AES 128 encryption. The sender uses an encryption key, usually letter sign numbers, to encrypt their message. The encrypted message called ciphertext. Encrypted message looks like ciphertext looks like scrambled letters and cannot be read by anyone along the way. When your data is encrypted, the data is scrambled letters and cannot be read by anyone. The recipient uses a decryption key to transfer the ciphertext back to the readable text. By using decryption, then data is read again. Above example, use same key. It is also called secret key encryption, secret key cryptography, private key cryptography, and symmetric cryptography, and symmetric key encryption. This is a private key, and both keys are same at the sender and receiver side. Next, advantages of symmetric key encryption. It provides data privacy and confidentiality without the extra complexity of multiple keys. It provides the symmetric key cryptography provide the privacy and confidentiality without the extra complexity of multiple keys. Asymmetric key encryption cryptography. In this case, two different keys for encryption and decryption. In asymmetric key encryption, different keys are used. The key used for encryption is the public key and key used for decryption is the private key. Both the keys must belong to the receiver. The public key encrypts data. The public key encrypts data while the corresponding private key decrypts it. This is why it is also known as public key encryption. Symmetric key cryptography can also called as public key encryption because in this encryption is public key and for private key decryption is used. Hence it is called public key encryption. Public keys cryptography and asymmetric key encryption. This is a diagram of asymmetric key cryptography. This is the original text. Here public key is used for encryption. In encrypted data T8Q9, there are different keys there are same keys, different keys are used. That is public key and private key. Then decrypt this data and give original text, same as this. Using different keys for encryption and decryption has helped avoid the problem of key exchange. In symmetric, there is a key exchange is problem. In this, key exchange is not a problem. This is another example. This is alias. For me today, the key is encrypted data T8Q9 using Bow's public key to encrypt. And next using Bow's private key to decrypt. Bow's private key. T8Q5 plus for me today. This data is original data is obtained. Alias uses Bow's public key to encrypt the message. The encrypted message sent to Bob. Bob uses his private key to decrypt the message. It is used in digital signature, cryptocurrency, key sharing, verifying website server authenticity. This is used in digital signature, cryptocurrency, key sharing, and verifying website server authenticity. Thank you.